For one, yung size niya, malaking MPV na siya. So it's a 7-seater MPV. Tapos ang kagandahan about it is naka-leather seats na siya. And then yung second row natin is captain seats. Plus of course, yung engine niya, it's a 1.5 turbo engine. So in terms of horsepower, hindi ka bibitinin yan. Plus yung napakagandang feature niya is meron siyang panoramic sunroof. And yung cluster natin, yung pinaka-gauge niya sa dashboard, digital na siya. Pag nag-visit sa showroom, we'll definitely present yung unit. Yung features itself, hindi na siya mahirap i-convince. Dahil nga napakaganda ng unit, napakaganda ng mga features, plus of course yung competitive price niya. Pag nag-purchase ka ng unit sa Haima, meron tayong binibigay na free 1-year roadside assistance. So, if anything happens sa road, for example, nag-breakdown siya, or let's say naubusan ng gas, or let's say na-flat, meron mag-a-assist sa'yo 24/7. You just call the hotline, then pupuntahan ka nila. It's free actually. Yung worth nung free na yun is around 32,500, which sa ibang brands, they will not offer it. Pag bumili ka sa Laos Group, meron na. Yung 7X natin is patterned under a parang yung yacht, yung sailing yacht. So yung shape niya, yung curve niya. So naka-style siya ron. Plus of course yung harap natin parang Stingray. So yun ang design niya. So very modern ang design niya. Right now meron kaming one of our new models, yung Haima 7X. So ito meron tayong low-down all-in promo. Plus on top of that, meron siyang free amortization, 2 months. They could visit our showroom dito sa Jose Abad Santos Avenue, San Fernando, or they could visit our Facebook page, or they could call me at 0918-854-2215.